Most email teams waste hours checking accessibility issues, converting files, and building interactive elements. Here are 3 things in Stripo that significantly reduce email production time. Making your emails accessible is a tricky and time-consuming process, and Stripo runs the check for you. Run our accessibility checker on your template to see all accessibility issues clearly highlighted, complete with tips on how to fix them. Make your adjustments right within the checker and create accessible email designs with ease. Got an email design ready in MJML or HTML, maybe exported from Figma or built by a developer? Import your email file in MJML or HTML format, and in just a few clicks, you'll have a fully editable template. Make the necessary adjustments, add new content, and work with it just like any other Stripo template. No need to convert or recreate your designs from ground up. Interactive email elements usually require a developer. Our widgets change that, making email interactivity accessible to every marketer. Each widget comes with a complete interactive mechanic. Simply drag a widget into your template, describe the changes you want in the AI chat window, and watch the edits happen in real time. Adapt widgets to your design and content needs without having to work under the hood of every interactive element. These features and many more are your tools to make email production faster, saving precious time on more important email marketing matters. We are continuously adding new and expanding existing features to make your email design production faster and more predictable.